Introduce features interest for DUXANO personal blender for shakes and smoothies. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. DUXANO Blender Combo vs Single Serve Blender. Unlike other single serve blenders, our personal blender combo comes with a multi-serving 40 ounces large capacity pitcher and 2 single-serve cups, allowing you to add ingredients effortlessly while blending and preparing smoothies and frozen drinks for the entire family at once. 3 speed settings: pulse, low, high. Turn ice into snow in seconds and create a variety of textures. Ice crushing power for smooth result. We all know adding ice cubes and frozen fruits can make smoothies taste better. That's why our personal blender has an improved ice crushing power motor and durable titanium hardened stainless steel blades that cut through ice and frozen fruit with ease, delivering smooth and consistent results for every kind of mixture. Blend and go with 2 travel bottles. Our blender can also work as a single-serve bullet blender. Fill the travel bottle with the ingredients, then lift the cup from the base and go after blending. The travel cup fits most car cup holders for easy transport, and the to-go lid allows you to drink the smoothie on the move with ease. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.